Dear friends, welcome to RPA Tutorials. In this video, we will cover an overview of the web recorder and its capabilities. At the time this video was created, the latest version of Automation Anywhere client is 10.7. The web recorder is one of the powerful tools that Automation Anywhere offers, which helps you automate internet-related tasks, essentially tasks that involve a web application or a browser. Most common uses of the web recorder are to perform actions such as repeatedly extracting data from multiple web pages, extracting data from tables on web pages, and filling online web forms. The web recorder understands and navigates all web-based objects and controls such as the URL command line, drop-down menus and command bar icons, web page text fields, graphics and button, navigation and hotspot links, and web forms. It is robust and powerful enough to locate these captured controls and objects during runtime, even when the layout of the web page changes and these objects move to a new location. The web recorder works as a browser-based tool and is completely compatible with Internet Explorer. When you start recording, you are presented with two extraction options: extract data and extract table. In case you chose the extract data options, the web recorder will then ask you the type of data you want to extract, regular or pattern-based. We will be demonstrating how to use web recorder with all these extraction types later. The web recorder commands and task editor also lets you manually add, delete, change task behavior with web objects and controls captured during recording, so that you don't repeat the task of recording in case an alteration is to be made. Let us now look at some of the prerequisites for using the web recorder. If you are recording your task on Internet Explorer 11, you need to enable the IE11 plugin in the Automation Anywhere client application. You can find the same under Tools, Options, and then Plugin Settings. You also need to ensure that the Automation Anywhere add-on is enabled in Internet Explorer 11. For the same, go to Tools, which is normally a gear icon on top right of your screen, and then go to Manage Add-ons. If you are recoding your task on older versions of Internet Explorer, then you don't need to perform the above steps. In case your process operates in an environment which needs interaction with Silverlight or Flex objects, you will have to enable their respective plugins as well. This brings us to the end of this video. To watch demonstration of web recorder and how to use the extract data and extract table commands, click on the video links on your screen. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel below, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and connect with us on LinkedIn. Links in description below.